Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review HoneyGain. HoneyGain is a legitimate app that allows users to earn money by sharing their unused internet connection. Once installed, it runs quietly in the background and securely shares your bandwidth with trusted companies for web analytics and research. Users can withdraw earnings through PayPal or cryptocurrency once they reach the minimum payout. While it's safe and easy to use, the earnings are generally low, only a few dollars a month, so it's more suitable for passive extra income rather than a main source of money. If we talk about user reviews on Trustpilot, most users share positive experiences. They appreciate the app's ease of use, smooth performance, and ability to generate passive income without interrupting their daily activities. The website and interface are also well received, contributing to overall satisfaction among users. Now let's take a closer look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, HoneyGain provides an easy and passive way to earn extra income, requires no active tasks, and can run smoothly on existing devices. On the downside, the earnings are quite slow. It uses your bandwidth, which may slightly affect internet speed, and there are potential privacy risks associated with sharing your IP address. Overall, HoneyGain is not a scam, it's a legitimate app that does pay users, but the earning potential is limited, making it best suited for small, passive rewards. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.